There was really nothing of any significance that happened at all. It was really boring. I ended
Yeah,
up
it's like
watching 5 episodes of Narcos.
Forex Morning Mayhem is a must-listen podcast for currency traders. Get a curated watch list, insightful market analysis, and crucial news updates, plus trading tips for all levels. But remember, it's educational, not investment advice. Scan the QR code in the description to join our free Trade Faction Slack channel for live trade calls. If you like the podcast, please follow and share. Let's get started.
Good morning. It's August 4, 2025, and this is Forex Morning Mayhem. Let's see what's happening in the news today. President Trump will soon appoint new leaders for the BLS and replace Fed Governor Kugler after high-profile departures, stirring concerns over policy independence. OPEC plans to boost oil output in September, pushing prices lower. US and European stocks rose, the dollar rebounded, and bond markets reacted to leadership changes. If you find this podcast useful, please like and subscribe to the show. If you are new to trading, check out the Trade Faction, a totally free resource where you can watch our trades live. Also, don't forget to download our new Forex AI Sage app in the Apple App Store to use the latest in agentic AI to help you trade. Now, let's join Bill and Dave for today's show.
All right, so starting with the currency pairs, Aussie US dollar. Yes, as we were discussing earlier, the market has really gone to sleep. Last night, there was really nothing of any significance that happened at all. It was really boring. I ended
yeah,
up watching 5 episodes of Narcos because
it's like the
there's like
computers just
nothing
fall
going
asleep.
on. Yeah, there's literally nothing going on. So Pablo Escobar was my entertainment for the evening.
I know.
So here's Aussie US dollar, and basically what the situation is here, as you can see, the little arrows in my signal are pointing sideways. So that is what price is doing right at the moment. It did last week trend to the downside. This is a 4 hour chart, by the way. And what I found to work really is when these big orange dots appear, which is either the last RSI in a series of consecutive RSIs or a peak RSI. It's going to be one of those two things. But basically, that's your pull the parachute button. Whatever
Hmm.
you're in, get the hell out because it's about to go the other direction, which, as you can see, it did. And it does that there and it does that there. So that one is pretty damn reliable. Anyway, this had originally punctured through the lower swing point on Aussie US dollar, and that's why you see a profit target and a stop loss here. But then it pulled back up into this between the two swing points again. So we're in the neutral zone here. There's really nothing to do. So this is either going to creep back up to here or it's going to break through here again, in which case that would once again be a valid trade to the downside. All right, moving on. US Canadian dollar. This is the one that I made the 50 pips last week. Right now it's going sideways, but it broke out above the upper swing point here. And as you can see, it just made a bajillion RSIs, but they weren't consecutive, which is
Hmm.
interesting. There's a
Yeah.
big yellow dot here, and then this very last one was. And then it did a big U-turn and went back down to the downside. Right now, nothing to do here. It's threatening to go back down in between the swing points, which would mean a sideways move. So until something happens here, there's nothing to do on that one.
Are you an active trader looking to elevate your trading skills? We invite you to join the Trade Faction, a community where you can witness trades called out live. To connect with fellow traders and gain real-time insights, simply click the link in the description or scan the QR code to join our free Slack channel. This is a great opportunity to enhance your trading strategies and stay ahead of the market. Also, don't forget to download our new Forex AI Sage app in the Apple App Store to use the latest in agentic AI to help you trade. So what are you waiting for? Click that link or scan the QR code now and download the app today.
US Canadian dollars. This one is kind of all over the place, going sideways. So I guess the easy way to interpret the signal is to look and see right away what it's saying it's doing. We had a lot of, there's a whole bunch of stuff going on here, so let me go through it a little bit. You guys all know what the support and resistance is. Order pools, like to call them order pools. That's the New York Open just starting now. What happened here was price came down to the lower swing point, formed the lower swing point in this pool of orders, support orders, and then proceeded to move up to the upside. And another swing point was formed up here where there's resistance. And it's since then bounced off of resistance and is now right in the middle of the cardiogram here. So yeah, it's playing ping pong. Exactly. There you go. Perfect description. So there's nothing to do there either. Pound US dollar. This one actually is showing a trend to the downside. We have bounced up to, it looks like overhead resistance here. If you wanted to be a gambler, you could theoretically take a short position here to the downside and see what happens because you do have a whole bunch of shit going on here. You got peak RSIs, you've got a couple of failed attempts to break out of the top side of resistance. You've got another peak RSI over here. Yeah, there's a whole bunch of reasons why this should not keep going up. If you wanted to take a gamble and place a short in here, you would be trading with the trend. The trend is down right now. That's all I got.